These WYWNA Solar Outdoor Lights deliver very bright, cool white illumination with a broad coverage area, making them well suited for driveways, yards, and small parking spaces. The efficient solar panel and generous battery capacity allow the fixtures to recharge in a single sunny day and then provide dependable lighting through the night in motion sensing mode. Multiple operating options, including dusk to dawn, motion activated, and timed modes, give you flexible control over brightness and runtime using the included remote control. The sturdy housing and high weather resistance rating help these lights keep working reliably in rain, snow, and seasonal temperature swings without needing extra protection. Wall mounting is straightforward, with no wiring required, so a single person can install the 4-pack quickly on most exterior surfaces. Backed by a long service life design and an extended support period from the manufacturer, this set is a strong choice for anyone wanting low-maintenance, solar-powered security lighting.